welcome back to my YouTube video. Today we're going to be unboxing these cups.
That's right. So thank you so much to Sweese for sending us these beautiful cups.
Oh.
And these are also, again, these are porcelain. And I just wanted to show you some of the items that we got that came with it. So this is another Sweese product. And we chose this particular cup set because they kind of are like giant, like cappuccino mugs.
I'm drinking some cappuccino.
But they're so big that you can actually turn it into a cereal bowl.
Or no, a soup bowl.
A soup bowl, yeah. These are so big it can be turned into a soup bowl. Yeah, so we just took it out, so there's some, things we gotta wash off of it. But these are beautiful. And then it has also the same Sweese logo on the bottom. Microwave and dishwasher safe, oven safe, and lead free, right? Mm-hmm. And these are huge. Look how big they are in her hands. Go ahead, use your hand. Look at that. So they're not like, cups that you would use for like a teacup, but these are so pretty. Let me compare it to the teapot I actually bought from Sweese. Sweese did not pay for a teapot. That came out of my own money. So let me just have it right next to it. Okay, so here is the mug compared to the Sweese teapot. And I love this teapot. It's like just such a beautiful shape. And this is not sponsored teapot. I purchased on my own money just because I just love the shape. So here's another Sweese teapot. And this way you can kind of compare size-wise that this particular cup or mug is not actually meant for tea. I mean, you can drink tea, it'll be a lot of tea, but it's a pretty good size right here. And then I want you to kind of take a look compared to the other review I did of the tea mug. And if you kind of take a look, and of course this one came with a filter, and you can watch it in the link above, that this cup, the size of it, the diameter is actually much bigger than the original mug that I reviewed. So it is quite a good size. You can definitely use it for soup. You can definitely use it for cereal. It's multi-purpose. You don't have to just drink liquid in here. You can use it for regular food too. And I just love the design. That's what I love about it. I love the design. I love the fact it is porcelain. That's the other part I really like about it. And I am looking really forward to eating some really good soup in here. So hopefully this kind of gives you an idea of the Sweese products. They always have great products, and I love reviewing it, and I bought so many on my own. In fact, I actually bought another teacup, a different shape, out of my own money, and let me show you that right now before I end this video. So I just went into my cabinet and I took out this one. I really like this particular handle. It's kind of like the traditional mug, that very boxy rectangular look, and this is the one I actually take to work. So this is what I take to work because it looks just like a regular typical mug, but it's just much bigger. And again, that's porcelain. This I always keep at home. I never take this anywhere out of the house because I just love it, and I can't, I'll be so sad if this broke. But this one is still on sale on Amazon. You can get this very easily. I love this one too, but unfortunately all the white colors were sold out, so I ended up with blue. But this one, I believe there's still some more white ones left on Amazon if you take a look, and definitely this one is still available on Amazon as well. Okay, so hopefully this kind of gives you an idea of the products that are available right now on Amazon for Sweese. I would definitely recommend, if you are interested, to get it soon before they are sold out, because I know if you're looking for a particular color, a lot of the popular ones are already sold out. So great product. Thank you so much, Sweese, for sending us this product for us to review.
Bye everyone, I hope you liked this video and give it a big thumbs up, and tell me in the comments down below which cup was your favorite.
Yeah, which Sweese product was your favorite? Was it the teapot, this blue mug here, this white mug here, or this new one that just came out from Sweese?
My opinion is the teapot.
I know, you love that teapot. It's so
Bye!
cool. Bye!